Today we're going to go over the brand new app for Dial My Calls, which is now available on the Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you can simply log into your account. If you do not already have an account with us, you can create a new account. Once you've logged in, you're going to be taken to the account overview screen. Now on this screen, you'll be able to set up a new text broadcast or phone broadcast. You'll also be able to see any completed calls or texts that have been sent out. Down at the bottom, you'll have the available credits in your account, and you're also able to purchase more credits to utilize the service. Now, if you want to go in and set up your contacts, what you'll do at the bottom of the screen, click on Contacts. And from here, you'll be able to add a new contact as well as add new contact groups. When you click on Add New Contact, it's going to bring up the dialog to enter in a new contact. Now you can see that the only required information is the 10-digit phone number. Everything else that you see here is completely optional. So let's go ahead and just add in a phone number here. All right, then once you're done, we're just going to add the number. Let's click Add Contact. And you can see that it now added that contact into your account. So it's ready to go to be sent a broadcast. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is create a recording to send out. So let's click on the Recordings tab at the bottom. Then you can see that we already have 2 recordings available in our account, but we have the option to create a new recording. There's 3 options available within the Android app. You can see that you can record using the microphone on your phone. You can record by a phone call, so you'll enter your phone number, our system will call you, and then you'll record the message right over their phone. And then you have the ability to create a text-to-speech message. So that's going to allow you to input a block of text, and then our system will convert that automatically into an audio file. Now, once you've added your contacts and created a recording, you're now ready to set up your broadcast. So if you click on Broadcast at the bottom, you're going to have 3 options. You have Send Call Broadcast, Send SMS Broadcast, and then Send Free Call Broadcast. Now, the free service will allow you to send a 30-second message to up to 25 contacts 1 time per week. For this demo, we're going to go ahead and send out a call broadcast. So we're going to click on that. Once you select Call Broadcast, it's going to ask you for the name of the broadcast. So this is just for your records, so you can go back and view the report for specific call broadcasts that go out, and you can check the status of them. It's going to ask for your caller ID. So this is the caller ID that will show up when your recipients receive your broadcast. It's going to ask for the recording you want sent out. So let's go ahead and just select a recording. Then it's going to ask what contacts you want to go to. Now, you have the option to send it to all of your contacts, or if you have set up contact groups, you can select those. So let's go ahead and select our group. Now, down at the bottom here, you have the ability to schedule your broadcast or send it immediately. So for this, we're going to go ahead and send broadcast now. And you can see that the broadcast was successfully sent, so we're going to click OK. Now, the broadcast is going to go out to all of our contacts. Now that we've sent out our call broadcast, let's go ahead and set up a text broadcast. So we're back on the home screen. We're going to click on Set Up Broadcast, and now we're going to send SMS broadcast. The keyword that we're going to use, this is your unique identifier for your text messages. So the text will come from our short code, which is 80123, and then your keyword will be displayed in parentheses in the actual text message. So this is how your contacts are going to know who the texts are coming from. You will receive 1 free keyword with your Dial My Calls account. If you do want additional keywords, they are $4.95 per month. We're going to go ahead and name the broadcast. Again, this is for your records, and it's going to allow you to go back and check the status of your text message. Let's go ahead and select our contact group that we're sending this to. Down below, you're going to see that we want to type out our text message. All right, so we have our text typed out. Now, if everything looks good, we can go ahead and send the broadcast. And you can see that it's going to load and the text was successfully sent. Now, once the texts are sent, then you can go in and look at the reports. Now, the reports will take about 5 to 10 minutes to populate as far as the calls and texts go. So while the texts and calls will go out immediately, the reports will be a little delayed, about 5 to 10 minutes. So if you click on the reports tab at the bottom, you can see that all the reports that we've sent out are available. And if you click on that, it's going to give you the breakdown of all of the calls that went out. So you can see that it gives you the time, the date, how many credits were used, how many people were contacted, whether it was a text or a call, and then it gives you the name of the recording that went out. You also have the ability to play back the recording, and you can view the detailed results. So if you click on that, it's going to bring up all of the numbers that were dialed, and then it's going to show you the status. So you can see that a couple of them were live answers. Then you can see that the bad numbers were no answers, and it's still going. So you can see the bottom, it says dialing. Now, if you do have any questions about the Dial My Calls app for Android, you can contact our support, which is 800-928-2086. And you can also send us an email to support@dialmycalls.com. We hope you enjoy the app. Thank you.